Hello everybody, welcome to Digital Painting and Photography channel. This is Toshiaki from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I made this image by Nano Banana Pro. That's nice. Such a details, huh? Cinematic image. That's cool. Okay, enhance this image. Then I upscale to square format with Adobe Photoshop. Enhance with Korea. The image is this. Nice details. Okay, then I made line drawing type image with find edges on Adobe Photoshop. Change blend mode to luminosity 50% opacity. Yet over this base image. Got this halftone image. Then duplicate base enhanced image, change blend mode to color, max opacity. Add over this halftone image. Got very subtle, nice skin tone, amber color, yeah? Okay, same layer, duplicate again. Now change blend mode to overlay, not max. It's toned down touch because max is too much high contrast, isn't it? So tone down to get a little more details on shadow side. Open it up. Not too much. About this. Okay. Then a little bit highlight side it burn out. So I want to darken this highlight area. So duplicate enhanced image, base image again. Then change blend mode to darker color. Tone is 40%. Tone down touch. Yeah, about 40. Okay. Darken touch on highlight side, yeah. Tone down. Okay. I think this is better image. So let me group these 5 layers. Okay, make group. Then I'm gonna fix this image as a 1 layer better image. Okay, duplicate this group. Then flatten this group image. Okay, now from this base image to this. Nice, yeah? Okay, now turn off this better layer. Then in this group, turn off this darker color, then duplicate this line drawing type image. Now we got the light image. Keep this image as a base image. Over this base image, I'm going to combine model's face from this better layer. Turn on, then add mask. Invert this mask. Open with soft brush. Airbrushing to soft brush. Color is white. Max opacity. Okay, about this. Alright. Only 4 model space right now. Okay, that's it. Now duplicate this better layer. Then bottom layer. Delete this mask. Then change blend mode. Color burn or hot light. Yeah, leave it color burn. Dark enough. Okay, I'm gonna add white layer over this. Add layer. Then fill this layer with white. Then change this white layer to clipping mask. Okay, now I'm gonna paint on this white clipping layer to get these dark colors. Okay, now change brush. Drawing to evolve. Now go from, let's go for here. Kind of green background, yeah. Okay, then change tool to smudge tool, but select texture drawing to evolve. Okay, a little bit big size, and I'm gonna smudge this to get nice interesting texture. Alright, that's nice textures, yeah. Now add some dark colors, amber colors. Then again, smudge tool. Okay, now add highlight area. I want to add gradation colors, so add layer. Okay, then change brush to soft brush. Okay, then get mask over this gradation layer. Then invert this mask. Now I'm going to open this mask with same evolve texture, yeah? But half tone. Okay, now add white layer under this gradation layer. Okay, I want to duplicate this clipping layer. Then change this clipping layer not to clipping, just the white layer. But I'm gonna use this same color layer. Color. Okay. Then let's see. Add mask over this. Then just let me see. What if mask this white layer? We're gonna see this image, right? Let me try this. Same evolve. Change color to black. Now go from half tone opacity. Yeah, just like adding white border, yeah? That's fine. Now I'm gonna open this to add contrast. Okay, I'm gonna add this gradation colors. That's interesting, okay. Okay, in this case, I wanna add much more dark image. So, yeah, okay. Add shadow area of this model's figure. Turn on this white clipping layer. Okay, add some shadows. Okay, now turn on this mask. Then got more contrast, yeah. Okay, then open this model's image. Again, blending with smudge tool. Okay, blending with this mask. Alright, then now I wanna maybe add color layer to warm up. Okay, very top, add layer, then change blend mode to color. Warm up skin tone, and I'm gonna emphasize some colors as well. Okay, brushes, soft brush. Go from warm up model's skin tone, yeah? A little more magenta-ish. Yeah, pretty much warm up. Okay. Now go for other part. Dark overall body with. Okay, I think I need to add some density on this feet. Because it's too light, yeah? Use this gradation layer. Turn off this mask. Then let's see. To add density, I think. Yeah, open this better layer. I think that's we're gonna get a nice image. Okay, with soft brush. Okay, then touch, add density over this. Nice skin tone. Give it touch. Okay, then lighten model's face shadow area. Use same better image. Duplicate. Then upper layer. Change blend mode to screen. Turn on. That's about this. I'm looking at shadow area. Maybe about this, yeah? Okay, then fill this layer with black. Then open this. Okay, I think that's enough. Then give it highest light, catch light. Duplicate this line drawing type image, then move this one all the way top. Change blend mode to divide. Give it nice highest light. Add mask. Invert this mask. Then open. Yep, that's it. Okay, now in this color layer, I'm gonna emphasize some amber color and blue wall colors. Yeah? Okay, I think pretty much done. Okay, from this base enhanced image, add line drawing type image, luminosity blend mode double, add color blend mode, overlay blend mode. Okay, over this base image, add models better image with mask. Then add color burn blend mode, dark colors. Add white clipping layer painted on, like so. Emphasize some shadow colors, yeah, and texture. Then duplicate this clipping layer. Add white border, like so. Then add gradation colors with mask. Then lighten models shadow area, face, touch. Then add density on feet, like so. Then warm up skin tone with color blend mode. Then lighten with divide blend mode, catch light and highest light. Yep, that's it. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate for you guys' support. I hope you're gonna find some idea for your creative work. You guys have a nice day. See you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Good day. And thank you.